What's up, my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So as you can tell by my voice, I am still sick. I am not sure what's going on. I thought I was getting better, and apparently I'm not. But anyway, I digress. So today we are learning how to contour. I have been avoiding this topic for a while because I find it to be rather scary, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to not make it so scary for both of us. So let's jump right in, sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, tea. I was gonna say grab a donut. I don't know why. And let's get going. So I have my foundation, I have my primer, and I have concealer on. And I will link all that down below as to what I have put on. So what we're using today is we're going to try, I feel like we're doing this like in layman's, like whatever. I don't even know what that means, but okay. So I thought in order to ease me into the world of contouring, I would start off easy. And a while ago, I purchased the NYX Wonder Stick. Now, it comes with a highlighter on one side. I kind of smushed the top, but it comes with a highlighter on one side. And on the other side, I also smushed this top. It comes with the bronzing contouring part. I think I got it in the color Universal Light, and we are going to figure out how to do this together, and then I'll do the rest of my face. So one thing that I don't like about this product in general is that it's $13. Yes, you get two products in one, but I mean, it's $13. Like, why are drugstore products becoming so expensive? Like the NYX, like this primer that they just came out with, it's like a cold one. It's like $20. Like, why, people?
No, don't like that.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the lighter side, and we're going to draw down. We're gonna draw like a triangle, I think is what I think we're supposed to be doing. We're gonna draw a triangle down this way, and then we're gonna do another triangle this way. I don't think I was actually supposed to draw an actual triangle. But we shall see. And hopefully this color is the right color for me. But if not, what do we do? We'll
make it work.
God, that's a lot of product. I think I used too much. Okay, so then we're going to take this and we're going to go down the center of our nose. That. And then we're going to go up a little bit more. That. Then we're going to go up here. And then we're going to draw some arrows, it looks like. I'm literally basing this off of a YouTube that I'm watching, because I don't know what I'm doing. And then we're going to do it underneath our chin a little bit. I don't know if I did too much. And then on our Cupid's bow. Right here. That wasn't right. Oh, and by the way, this actually does come with instructions on the back of the box, which I forgot to bring in. And then we're going to start doing the contour part. We're going to start with the top of our forehead. Just going to outline over here, over here. Then we're going to go kind of in like where the shadow area is of our cheekbone. Then we're going to outline the bottom of our chin. That was a little bit higher than I wanted it to be, as was that one. Yeah, I think this is way too dark. Very lightly outline this part of our nose. If I had a steadier hand, this would probably work better. Down here, here. Then we're going to take a damp beauty sponge and we're gonna just blend in this is not gonna work. The highlighting part. Why isn't this going? Is this not blending in? This is not blending in. This may be a fail. What is going on? Okay, down the nose area. Yeah. I seem to be breaking out like in the same spot over and over again. It's kind of annoying, and I'm pretty sure this is not wet enough, or it's just not wet enough.
That's what she said.
Let me see. Okay, now we're gonna go down my nose, and then we're gonna go do the under eye area. So we don't want to blend in the contouring part, the bronzer part, at the same time as the highlighter part. I am not sure, I guess to not mix, but I have a massive feeling that I am not doing this right.
My spidey sense is tingling.
Because I think that this dried down like really fast. The hell? And I just did some of my nose. You saw that, right? You saw that I took off some of my nose? And there was a reason why I was dreading doing this video. If I end up looking like a goddess after this this demo, I will be very impressed. Okay, now let's go in and try and blend it all together. I feel like it shouldn't be this much work to do what I'm doing. It's like I'm really pushing in the sponge. Like, what is going on? I also now I'm feeling like this is a lot more work than I really want to put into my makeup look. There's gotta be an easier way, guys. There's gotta be an easier way. I look very tan. Something is so not working, guys. Something is so not working. And if you can tell me what is not working, please let me know. What is this? This is supposed to be universal light, not universal tan. Something just did not work. Okay, well, the shadow part is there, so that at least is the right thing. That's correct. It's supposed to like emphasize like your cheekbones and the shadowing of your cheekbones. So that part we did correctly. The rest, I am not so sure. I am very much not so sure. A setting brush, and we're just gonna set in the under eye area so that it doesn't settle into our skin like that and it doesn't look all wrinkly, which I feel like it's too late. Maybe make it more matte. I don't know. Like I said, I think it may be too late. Do it down the nose area, the forehead area, and then I guess we'll do on the bottom of the chin and where we did the cupid's bow. And guys, if I'm very wrong in doing this, please let me know. This is my very first time doing this, and I can almost guarantee you I'm doing this wrong. But hey, who knows? It may come out looking really good. We don't know, but I love it where you can see where I put the, my nose looks very dark and not properly something. I don't know, something looks off. Okay, we're gonna go in and use the Wet n Wild bronzer, Color Icon bronzer. It's more of a matte bronzer, even though I think I look matte enough as it is. And I'm just gonna trace over. This is going to be so interesting and probably so wrong. So I don't think I did that part right. That's great. So I'm taking a stipple brush. I don't have a large one, but I'm just gonna do this and try and get everything as blended looking in as possible, even though I really don't think that that is possible. Even though I just used the word possible twice. Maybe it's the lighting. Let's see, let's make it darker. Anybody else feel like I'm just taking off everything I just did? Kinda wish I was. Okay, so maybe I pushed it down too hard. Is that a thing? I may have pushed the bronzing part, the contouring part, down a little too hard. But I also want to try and learn how to do it a different way eventually at some point, because I don't like that this was $13 and there's got to be a different way to do this. So we're just going to do a quick eye because I can't stand looking at this like just like that. We're going to use the Essence I Like to Mauve It palette, and I'm just going to really just do a very light, do these have colors? Yes, they do. I'm going to go in with Ya Nice right here. All right, so we're actually going to use our finger, and we're going to go in with this one, which is Energetic right here. Just going to use our finger. Mascara, we're going in with the Maybelline Falsies Surreal. Blush, we're going to see if we can go even darker. We're going to do the Pure Essence the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush. A look from hell. That's what we just did today. A look from hell. Gonna skip to the lips. We're using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Bubblegum, and we're gonna just call it a day. This was a very interesting attempt, and I don't know if I failed, but I also don't know if I passed. So I'm gonna keep trying. Did I even do it? I don't even know if I did it, but anyway, comment down below. I will leave everything linked. So if you like watching these videos, how-tos, beginner stuff, dupes, tricks, tips, hacks, first impression reviews, is it worth it videos, all that jam, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as to when I post new videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. Join the Kaleidoscope. This was interesting. I hope you have a great day, evening, whenever you're watching this. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.